Hi there, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound, both versus the US currency in here, with both currencies losing ground on Friday after the US employment report, and potentially in here we think re-energizing bigger picture bearish pressures for both euro and the GB pound as we go into the first half and on into the second half of January 2017. So the sell-off that we saw here, particularly for the euro through after the presidential election result through November, particularly damaging, but then the continuation down to 103.50 and then still lower actually right at the beginning of the year. If we remember, if we go to the bigger picture chart, this monthly chart, the market is the lowest point through 105.20 and 104.59. It's the lowest point since early 2003 in here, and it really leaves bigger picture threat down to parity and 99.00. Back to the daily chart though, we have had this rebound effort in here at the beginning of 2017, but the market capped off by strong resistance here at 106.70, and the sell-off that we saw on Friday, we think opening the door to move back down to the recent low in here just below 103.50, 103.39 down there, and then looking for extension lowered into the second half of January, maybe towards parity. For the pound, not as negative a story, so more of a consolidation for the pound sideways after the US presidential election result, but certainly a negative theme in here in December and after the US rate hike from the FOMC, certainly leaving negative pressures. Again, a very minor corrective rebound for the pound in here at the beginning of the year over the last week, but the market then sell off again on Friday, leaving risk down through 122.00 to this 120.83 area, and then potentially back down through 120.00 as we saw previously on the flash crash that we saw here in October. So a negative theme, more in a range environment here for the pound, but certainly still a negative theme, looking for dollar strength to continue to come through, and certainly looking for that euro to potentially go down towards that psychological headline grabbing parity level into and through the middle of January. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist, on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.